Okay, hello students. Welcome back. Today in chemistry, we discuss about matter and its purity. Chapter number 2. Okay, of your science is matter around us is pure or not? Okay, matter around us is pure or not? Matter means the substance. So that purity we will check in this chapter. Today we discuss about pure and impure matter, and then we discuss about mixture. Matter means the substance which has mass and occupied space, that is matter. In our nature and in our surrounding, matter is present, but this matter is pure or impure. That is the main problem or main pollution problem of our country. So we will try to throw light on this topic, that is what is pure matter. The general meaning of pure means without adulteration. Adulteration means if something is added into the substance. Okay, something in water, if you add some salt, then it becomes impure. Similarly, if the adulteration is there, then substance is not pure or matter is not pure. If there is no adulteration, then substance is pure. In science, pure means that all the constituent particles of the substance are of same in chemical nature. Chemical composition is same throughout, that is in the pure form. A pure substance consists of single type of particles. So if it is only one type of particles or molecules, then that substance is pure. Second, we discussed about mixture. When two or more substances mix together in particular proportion, then it will form the mixture. Mixture means what? Two substance or two matter you mix, then it will form the mixture. For example, pure water you take, in that water you add salt or sugar, then it will form the mixture. Water plus sugar, water plus salt, or third, water plus sugar plus salt, two or more type of component, then also it forms the mixture. Mixture are of different types depending upon the nature of the component of the mixture. So different component we will add. Different component we will add. Then different types of mixture is obtained. Types of mixture. There are two types of mixture. First one is a homogeneous mixture. If this component concentration is throughout constant, then it is known as homogeneous mixture. Well, there is no variation in the composition, in the mixture. Suppose you take water, in that add sugar or copper sulfate solution or KMnO4 solution. Then if concentration of KMnO4 is throughout constant, the top of the beaker also KMnO4 concentration is same, and below also if it is same, then it is known as homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, phase is same. Heterogeneous mixture means concentration is not throughout constant, not uniform. On the top you can see different concentration, and on the bottom you have different concentration. Okay, in heterogeneous mixture, concentration is non-uniform. This heterogeneous mixture is of two types: colloidal solution, as for example milk, and second is the suspension. Suspension means the particles from the solution, from the mixture, it will settle down. That is known as suspension. Okay, on the bottom of the beaker, that is known as suspension. And colloidal solution means what? Particles are there, but there is no effect on the gravity. As for example, milk. You can see water if it is added in the milk. Okay, water if it is added in the milk. Then what happen? Milk will spread in whole solution and its concentration is throughout control, but the phase is different. Okay, milk means what? Protein. It is added in the water, then it will form heterogeneous mixture. Protein plus water. So it is known as colloidal solution. From colloidal solution, light will not pass, it will reflect. That is colloidal. Suspension particles become heavy, clusters of particles, and that particle will settle down. That is known as suspension. First one, if it is homogeneous, then true solution. From that, light will pass. Okay, mixture is there, but light will pass. That is known as homogeneous. Okay, I will give the demonstration for true solution, means homogeneous mixture. Second one is colloidal solution, and third one is suspension. Okay, in the beaker I have taken water. In that water I have added 1 or 2 gram of copper sulfate. The blue color ions are there. Copper sulfate I have added in this beaker. So you can see this is true solution. Concentration of copper sulfate in this mixture is true. So you can see, okay, light is passes. You can see light is passes from this. Okay. If light passes, then it is true solution. You cannot see the particles of copper sulfate with your naked eye. Then it is the homogeneous mixture. Concentration is throughout. Second is, I have added copper sulfate. Okay, but concentration I have increases. Then you can see colloidal solution is obtained. Here particle from the cluster and light will not pass through. You compare the solution. First one is the true solution and second one is the colloidal solution. Okay, particles are there in the phase and from that light will reflect. Then it is known as colloidal. This is known as heterogeneous mixture. This is heterogeneous mixture. This is homogeneous mixture. Suspension. Another word, suspension. You can see particles from colloidal solution. If this colloidal solution is kept for some time, then this particle will settle down. You can see here below, particles will settle down. That is known as suspension. Just like mud in the river bank, it will settle down. Then it is known as true solution. Okay, in this 3 stage I am taking on the spot. First one is the colloidal solution. Below particles are suspended particle. I am adding slide acidic solution. If you add acid in this, then suspended particle as well as colloidal particles forms true solution. Okay, it is converted into true solution. So particle, first one is heterogeneous in the mixture. Now when I am adding acid, it is converted into true solution. Concentration is throughout constant. So mixtures are of 2 types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In nature also, if you walk through the city, congested city or polluted city, black color clouds you can see and visibility decreases. This is because of our air comprised of mist, water vapor and gases as well as dust particle. That will form what? Heterogeneous mixture. Light will not pass. After some time, that heterogeneous mixture, all that particles will settle down. Okay, then it will fall the suspensions in the air solution. If the room is locked and it kept for 1 month, then you can see dust particle, it will settle down on the floor. That is known as suspension. Colloidal solution means fog light. Okay, light cannot pass in a medium is on the top, and true solution concentration is throughout constant and light can pass through it. That is known as homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. If it is true solution, then it is pure solution. Colloidal solution means the mixture, light cannot pass. And suspension means what? Particle forms the cluster and it will settle down. That is known as suspended particle. The suspended particle settle down. Milk. In milk, it is colloidal solution. In that, if you add some lemon in it, then milk form the cluster and it will settle down. That is known as suspension. Milk particle is colloidal solution. It will convert it into suspension. Okay. In your book, write what is the meaning of pure solution and impure solution, or pure mixture or pure matter and impure matter. And second one is what is mixture and what is the or which are the types of mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous with example. Okay. Thank you.